students. So this is the second sum. Okay, the first sum I have shown. This is the second sum in 4.1 exercise. We know that this is the type of triangle in which base is given, sum of the remaining two sides, and one angle at the base is given. Normally we draw a rough figure. We draw a rough figure for like getting the idea of what type of figure it will be. So in triangle XYZ, I'll have to draw triangle XYZ. This is triangle XYZ. So base is YZ. It is 6 centimeter. Angle XYZ. This angle is 50 degree. And sum of side XY. This side XY and side XZ. XY plus XZ. Sum of these two sides is given to be equal to 9 centimeter. Now, as we have studied in the first sum, how to draw this. So first of all, we will take the base. We will draw the base of the triangle. Okay, base of the triangle, as you can see, it is 6 centimeter. So I will mark the 6 centimeter. Okay, just see, first I have to put one dot here and another dot here. This distance is 6 centimeter, 0 to 6. Then I have to join these dots so I can get exact 6 centimeter. Okay, this is the segment 6 centimeter and it is segment YZ. So I will name it as YZ. Okay, writing the length 6 centimeter. Now I have to take the protractor. With the help of the protractor, I have to draw which angle? Angle XYZ of 50 degree, acute angle. So as I have told you in the first term, angle XYZ. So I kept the protractor at Y. Okay, and so this is 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree and 50 degree. So I will mark 50 degrees. Remember, this is not 130 degree angle, this is 50 degree angle, as the ray YZ is this side. So the 0 we have to take, and then from 0 we have to count the measure. Okay, so this is the 50 degree angle. Now I will remove the protractor and I will draw a ray. Okay, this ray will extend. This ray will be extended. Okay, it will be extended like this. So you can extend this ray. Okay, why? Because we have to draw an arc of 9 centimeter from Y, we know. So we have to take the compass, and with the help of the pair of compass we have to take a distance of 9 centimeter. How to take, I have shown you. Okay, we have to fix this sharp point of compass at 0. As you can see here, we can fix it at 0 and then we can extend it till 9 centimeter. This is the point of the pencil which is like fixed at 9 centimeter. Exact distance we have to take 9 centimeter. After taking that, what we have to do is we have to cut the arc. Okay, from point Y, I will keep the compass at point Y, and then I will cut an arc of 9 centimeter. I will cut an arc of 9 centimeter like this. Okay, so I got point of intersection. This arc cuts ray, this ray at a point, and that point is point D. Okay, you see that. Now D and Z I have to join. D and Z, point D and Z I have to join. So I will get segment DZ. I will get segment DZ. This is not the triangle that we require. Now you know what is the next step. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment DZ. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? You know that we have to keep the compass at point Z. Okay, and then take distance more than half of segment DZ. This is segment DZ. Half is approximately here. So I took the distance more than half. After taking the distance, I have to cut the arc. One arc I will cut here. One arc I will cut here. Another arc I will cut on the other side. Here. Okay, from Z. This way. And then from point D, without changing anything. Okay, from point D with the same measurement, I have to cut the arc. Okay, so this is the arc I am drawing. We have to be very careful. See, I am drawing by myself. This is how we cut one arc here, and another arc I will cut here. Okay, so we are seeing that I have obtained the two arcs and 2 points of intersection of the arc, this point and this point. I have to join these 2 points. Okay, I will join these 2 points, put the scale very accurately and draw these 2 points. Okay, once these 2 points are joined, okay, we get a line, and that line is called as perpendicular bisector of DZ. Now this perpendicular bisector cuts this ray YD at a point, and that point is X. This point X, this point X, we have to join with point Z to complete our construction. So what we do is, I will join this point X with point Z, and so I get triangle XYZ. See, triangle XYZ I got, where Y is a 50-degree angle, and sum of the two sides XY and XZ will be 9 centimeter. Why? Because the this point X lies on the perpendicular bisector, and this point X is equidistant from point D and Z. That means these two segments are equal. So YX plus XD is 9 centimeter. Okay, YX plus XD, because I cut an arc of 9 centimeter here. So YX plus XD is 9 centimeter, but XD is congruent to XZ. So XY plus XZ is also 9 centimeter. Thus we can write finally, therefore triangle, नीचे हम लोग को फिगर के नीचे लिखना पड़ेगा, therefore triangle XYZ is the required triangle of given measurement. Every time, actually in the first sum also we forgot to write this, but we have to write that triangle XYZ is the required triangle of given measurements. Okay, so this is how like we have to do the like first step of construction. This is the first step of construction in which I have drawn a triangle with base, sum of the two sides, remaining two sides, and one angle at the base. Now we are doing the third sum. Okay, I am writing third sum. So students, this is the third question. Okay, construct triangle ABC in which BC is 6.2 centimeter. This is the base. Then angle ACB is 50 degree. This is the angle at the base, and sum of the remaining two sides AB and AC is 9.8 centimeter. So now I will not explain you much. I will start drawing the figure, constructing the figure. Okay, you know how to do it. Okay, so keep seeing the steps. First step is drawing the base. Base is 6.2 centimeter. Okay, 6.2 centimeter. This is 6.2 here, and this is 0. So I will join these 2 points, and this is the segment. This is the segment BC. This is the segment BC of 6.2 centimeter. Now angle ACB is given 50 degree. Normally here angle B is given, but in the previous two sums this angle was given. Now this angle is given. So what I have to do is, I have to keep the protractor here at point C, and then I have to see the 60 degree angle. See, I have kept the protractor at C, and 60 degree, very 60 degree. Now the ray goes to this side, so we have to count this 0, then 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So I have to mark a dot here at exactly 60 degree, and after that we have to join that dot with vertex C. So what I will do is, I will get angle ACB. Okay, and I have to extend this, as per the process I have to extend it. So now BC base is 6.2 centimeter. This angle C is how much? It is 50 degree. It is a 50 degree angle. Okay, we have drawn 50 degree angle. I have shown you how to draw 50 degree, correct? Oh, actually I took 60 degree. We have to actually draw 50 degree angle. Okay, 50 degree angle will be here. I will erase this. Yeah, 50 degree angle is here. So I have to draw this ray. Okay, I have to draw this ray. Yeah, so remember this. Okay, now this ray is not to be taken. This ray is not to be taken. We have to forget this ray. Yes. Okay, no issues. Chalo. So now BC base is drawn 6.2 centimeter. Angle C is a 50 degree angle. Now you know that the sum of the remaining two sides is 9.8 centimeters. So what I will be doing is, I will take the measurement 9.8 centimeter. Okay, 9.8 centimeter. We have to take very carefully. 9.8. See very carefully. 9.8 centimeter distance I have taken. Okay, yeah, this is 9.8 centimeter distance. So from C I have to cut an arc of 9.8 centimeter. I have to cut an arc of 9.8 centimeter. So this type of double arc must not be there. Okay, this type of double arc will reduce your mark. So we have to very carefully fix the compass at C, and then we have to cut a single arc only. Okay, this is 9.8 centimeter distance. Now there I will get point D, and this point D I will join with B. I will join with B, DB. Okay, and then after that, you know what is the next step? The next step is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DB. So I will keep the compass at D, take the distance more than half of DB. Okay, more than half of DB I took, and then I will cut one arc here, other arc I will draw on the other side, this side. Then I have to repeat the same thing from point D. From point D I have to keep the compass at point D and cut the previous two arcs without changing any measurement. Okay, so you can see that I have drawn another arc. Both these arcs are drawn from point B and D. Then the points of intersection are to be connected. Points of intersection, this point and this point are the points of intersection. We have to connect them. Okay, so what will happen? Yeah, a line is obtained, and that line is called as perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of segment DB. Now wherever this perpendicular bisector cuts this ray CD, that point is point A. So that point A we have to join with B, and so triangle ABC which we obtain is the required triangle. Why? Because these two segments are equal. So if CD is 9.8 centimeter, if CD is 9.8 centimeter, so CD is CA plus AD, but AD is congruent to AB. So CA plus AB is 9.8 centimeter. Understand? So finally what we write? Therefore triangle ABC is the required triangle of given measurement, This is what we normally write at the end of the, like this thing. And rough figure, you know, always you have to draw the rough figure. Okay, with pencil we have to draw the rough figure. So our triangle was this way. Okay, triangle ABC, base BC is 6.2 centimeter, and angle C is 50-degree angle. So side AB and side AC. Okay, AB plus AC, sum of remaining two sides is 9.8 centimeters. The rough figure we have to draw this, and this is the fair figure. Understood? So this is the third sum. Now the last sum of figure, practice set 4.1 we are doing. I am writing the question. So students, this is the fourth sum. I am reading the question. Construct triangle ABC in which BC is 4.2 centimeter. There is a correction here. Instead of 5.2, actually in the textbook it is 5.2, but actually it is 4.2 centimeter. Angle ACB is 45 degree, and perimeter of triangle ABC is 10 centimeter. So this is something like, you know, which is little bit changed. So in the solution, what we will write? Okay, perimeter of triangle ABC. You know, perimeter of triangle is sum of three sides. So side AB plus side AC plus side BC. This is the sum of three sides. Now perimeter is given to be equal to 10 centimeter. So 10 is equal to, we don't know AB and AC, sum of the these two sides, whereas BC is 4.2 centimeter. So we have to write only one side BC. Now 4.2 is subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 4.2 is equal to AB plus AC. Okay. So this is how we have to obtain the remaining two sides. So AB plus AC is, what is 10 minus 4.2? 10 minus 4 is 6, and 6 minus 0.2 is 5.8 centimeter. So they have indirectly given the sum of the two sides. Okay. Now rough figure will come. What is the rough figure? In the rough figure we have to draw triangle ABC, and here also angle C is given. ABC, angle C is given. Now BC base is 4.2 centimeter. Angle C is a 45 degree angle, and sum of this side AB and AC, AB plus AC is 5.8 centimeter. So it is same like the previous three sums which we have done. Now how to draw the, like, you know, diagram? How to draw the diagram? Okay, we have to draw the fair diagram. Okay, so I will draw it here. Okay, no problem. I will draw it here. Little space is there. We will try to finish this like sum here. Okay, first of all, base 4.2 centimeters. So I am drawing the base 4.2 centimeter. I will keep the, like, you know, protractor here, scale here. 4.2 centimeter means first I have to mark 0 dot, and 4.2, this is 4, so 2 millimeter more, 4.2. After getting these two dots, I have to join these dots. So this is like 4.2 centimeter, which is BC. BC is the base. Now HC, I have to keep the compass and I have to draw the 45-degree angle HC. So I kept the compass HC. Which 0 we will consider? This side ka 0 we will consider. So this is 0 degree, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40. Between 40 and 50 there is 45 degrees. So there I have to mark a dot. Okay, after marking the dot, I have to draw the angle ACB of 45 degree. Okay, this dot and this point C are connected and this ray has to be extended. Okay, I extended this ray. Now base is obtained, 4.2 centimeter is the base, and angle C is of how many degree? 45 degree. Angle C is of 45 degree. Now I have to take sum of the two sides, 5.8 centimeter, with the help of a pair of compass. So 5.8 centimeter, I will keep one steel point here and 5.8, 5.8. Okay, this is 5.8 centimeter. See, this is 5.8 centimeter. Now from C I will I will fix the steel point at C, and then I will cut an arc, single arc, okay, which will cut the ray at a point D. This is the point D. Okay, I get BD, and then I will join D with B. I will join point D with B. And next step, next step is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. How to draw the perpendicular bisector of BD? So I have to keep the compass at B, take distance more than half of BD, and then draw one arc here and another arc on the other side, this way. Without then changing the measurement, I have to put the compass at D, and from D I have to cut the previous two arcs. I have to cut the previous two arcs. Okay, one arc is cut like this and another arc is cut like this. So I will see that the two arcs intersect each other. Then the points of intersection, this point, okay, and this point, I have to join very carefully, and the line that I am getting is the perpendicular bisector. So very carefully keep the scale, align the 2 points, and then join the perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector cuts segment BD at a point which is A, and that A I have to join with C. This A I have to join with C, and when I will join A with C, okay, this is perpendicular bisector. Okay, so A and C are joined, and as A and C will be joined, we get the triangle ABC. Okay, we get the triangle ABC. So thus triangle ABC, we have to write therefore triangle ABC is the required triangle of given measurement, that blah 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 we have to complete. Okay, so this is the fourth sum, and exercise 4.1 is complete. Here we studied one type of construction of triangle in which base is given, one angle with the base is given, and sum of the remaining two sides of the triangle is given to us. Okay, understood? Now we are doing the next exercise where there is second type of construction. Okay, so students, practice set 4.2. Now there is type 2 of construction of triangle, type 2. Okay, here, okay, in this, okay, in this type of triangle, we are given base of the triangle, then one angle with the base, and the difference of the two sides, the difference of the lengths of two sides, remaining two sides, are given. Okay, so this is the second type of construction of triangles. What is given to us? Base of the triangle is given. We are given base of the triangle, then one angle with the base, and the difference of the lengths of remaining two sides. Let us take an example so you will understand. For example, construct triangle XYZ. Construct triangle XYZ where base YZ is 7.4 centimeter. So ये base हो गया. Then angle XYZ is of measure 45 degree. 45 degree, yes, it is given 45 degree. Now remaining side, if one side is YZ, the remaining side are XY and XZ. So difference between XY and XZ, XY minus XZ is equal to, okay, 2.7 centimeter. 2.7 centimeter. Now the difference can be between XY and XZ, or it can be between XZ and XY. So this is very important. Which side is taken first? Okay. So if we draw the rough figure, how it will be? In the rough figure, we draw triangle XYZ, this way, X, Y, Z. Now YZ is how much? YZ is 7.4 centimeter. This is 7.4 centimeter. Angle Y is 45 degree. Now this angle Y is given. Now difference of the side. See difference of the side. XY minus XZ. Now the first side XY, okay, with like regard to this angle, is the adjacent side. Side XY is the adjacent side. So when the adjacent side is given, okay, first, and then the opposite side, then XZ is given. The first adjacent side and then the opposite side. In this manner, the difference of the two sides is given. In this case, how to do the construction? Just see how to do the construction. So student, first we draw the base YZ, which is 7.4 centimeter. So I am keeping it over here, 7.5 centimeter, okay, 7.4 centimeter. So first, I have to mark it. This is 0 I have marked first, and 7.4 another point I have marked here. Then I have to simply join these 2 points, okay, 7 and 7.4, 0 and 7.4. So this is point Y and this is point Z. This is 7.4 centimeter. Now which angle it is? Y, 45 degrees. So I have to take the protractor and draw angle, okay, XYZ of 45 degree. Okay, I have kept, see, the protractor at point Y. 0 is on this side, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So between 40 and 50 there is 45 degree angle. Mark this point, and then this point you have to join. Okay, what I will do is I will draw the angle. Okay, I will align at the point Y and this dot, the another point, and then I will extend it. Actually it is going into the rough figure, doesn't matter. Now we know that the difference of the two sides is 2.7 centimeter, and first the adjacent side is given. Adjacent side of the angle Y is given. This angle Y is 45 degree. Okay, so when the adjacent side is given first, what we have to do? This difference 2.7 centimeter, okay, we have to mark above. We have to take that difference first of all on the compass, pair of compass. So I am taking first the difference. I will keep the steel point at 0, and 2.7, where is 2.7? I will show you. 2.7, yeah, this is 2.7, okay, 2.7 centimeter distance. Now what I will do? I will keep the compass at point Y. I will keep the compass at point Y, and then I will cut that arc of 2.7 centimeter. So you can see the difference, whatever is the difference between adjacent side and opposite side, adjacent side and opposite side, that I have drawn here on this ray, and that point is any point which is point D. It is not point X, it is point D. And what I have to do is I have to point this point D with Z. Okay, this point D I have to join with Z, and so I will get segment DZ. Now I have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment DZ. Now remember, many students draw perpendicular bisector of YZ, and so they end up into a wrong figure. It is wrong. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment DZ, and you know how to draw perpendicular bisector. Okay, I will have to use the pair of compass. I will have to put one point, okay, one steel point at point Z, take distance more than half, and then I have to cut one arc here, another arc on the opposite side. Okay, so I got the two arcs. Then I have to keep the compass at point D, at point D, and then I have to cut the previous two arcs. Okay, I have to draw two more arcs. There is lack of space, however I got the arc here. Okay, so luckily I got the 2 points of intersection. Now I have to draw this point, mark this point and this point, and then I have to connect these 2 points. When I will draw, when I will connect these 2 points, okay, then I am getting a like this line, which is the perpendicular bisector of dz, not of yz, of dz. This perpendicular bisector cuts this ray at a point, and this point is point x, required point x. Okay, actually this gets mixed with the rough figure, but doesn't matter, you have to draw very separately, very properly. This point x I have to connect with point z. I have to connect with point z, and the triangle XYZ is the required triangle. So below this figure I have to write triangle XYZ is the required triangle of given measurement. Required triangle of given measurements. Given measurements. So this is second type of construction. What is the second type of construction? In this type, we have to construct triangle where base is given, one angle at the base is given, and the difference of the remaining two sides, difference of lengths of remaining two sides is given. So here you are seeing, okay, triangle XYZ is there, YZ is the base, base is 7.4 centimeter, one angle at the base is Y, which is 45 degree, and the difference of the two sides XY and XZ, XY minus XZ, which is 2.7 centimeter is given. So what I did first I drew the base YZ 7.4 centimeter, then I drew the angle of 45 degree and extended this ray. Now whenever the adjacent side minus opposite side, that type of difference is given, adjacent side minus opposite side, then we have to, like, from Y cut the arc of 2.7 centimeter. This is 2.7 centimeter. Whatever is the difference between the two sides given, that arc I have to cut here. That will be the point D. That point D we have to join with Z, and segment DZ is obtained. Then I have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment DZ, not of YZ, of DZ I have to draw. Okay, how? From D and Z, taking distance more than half, I cut these arcs, and then the points of intersection are connected. This line which I am getting is called as perpendicular bisector of DZ. So I have to sign it perpendicular bisector. I have to mark it also. This line will cut this ray YD at a point X. That point X we have to join with Z. So triangle XYZ is the required triangle. XYZ is the required triangle. You can see that side XY is bigger. Side XY is bigger than side XZ. XY is XY it is. Yeah. Side XY is bigger than side XZ. How much bigger? By 2.7 centimeter. Why? Because XD and XZ are equal according to the perpendicular bisector theorem. These two sides are equal. So XY minus XD, if you do, the difference will be 2.7 centimeter. XY minus XD, but XD is equal to XZ. So XY minus XZ will be this 2.7 centimeter distance. Understood? So this is the second type of sum, and remaining sums of practice set 4.2 are similar to it. Now I am doing the second sum. So students, this is the question 2. Okay, here also triangle PQR we have to construct. Triangle PQR is there. Rough figure I am drawing. Side QR is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, angle Q is 60 degree angle, and again PQ minus PR. See, adjacent side of this angle. Okay, PQ minus PR is given. Difference of the two sides is given 2.5 centimeter. So this is exactly similar to the first sum. So I am now quickly doing it, and you can keep on watching it. Base QR 6.5 centimeter. So base QR 6.5 centimeter. Angle Q 60 degree. Protractor kept here, 60 degree angle. This is 60 degree. Extend the ray. Extend the ray. It will be even passing through the rough figure, doesn't matter. Ray is extended. Now difference is 2.5, so we have to take the difference 2.5 on the protractor. 2.5. This is 2.5 centimeter difference. Yeah, and that arc I have to cut here. If the compass set this Q. Okay, so I drew this arc. Now this is point D, this is point D. D I have to join with R, DR, segment DR. Okay, then I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DR. Perpendicular bisector will be drawn taking distance more than half. One arc is cut down, another arc is cut here. Segment DR, remember, not QR. So another, like, point is D. I have to cut previous two arcs. If this is not properly drawn, then I have to extend it. Yeah, so these two arcs are cut. Then, like, I have to join these two points of intersection. This will be a very big line going very, very far out of this page. See, okay, so it is going very, very far out of this page this way. So wherever, like, it will cut, that, like, point we have to join with R. That point we have to join with R. It will be a funny figure. Join with R this way. Okay, I am not moving this page. Why? Because it has gone out of the page. So perpendicular bisector. Okay, this is the required point P. This is the required point P. So P Q R. This is such a big triangle you will get. So below the figure you have to write triangle P Q R is the required triangle of given measurement. Required triangle of given measurement. So students, this is the second type of construction. Now I have to show you, in the same exercise, what if the difference between opposite side and adjacent side, instead of adjacent side minus opposite side, if it is given like, PR minus, if it is given like PR minus PQ, then how to construct? This construction will change when the difference of opposite side and adjacent side is given. So that we will be doing in the next recorded lecture. Okay, till here I am, like, completing this second recorded lecture. We have constructed this triangle, okay, of 4.2. Now we will see the remaining construction in the third recorded lecture. Thank you very much.